3. In this video, I'll show you how to create a watch list in Tradingview. First, open your web browser or the Tradingview app and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, open any chart to access the main trading workspace. Next, locate the watch list panel on the right side of the screen. If it's hidden, open it from the right sidebar to display your current lists. Now, click the watch list menu and select Create New List. Enter a name for your new watch list and save it. After that, start adding symbols to your watch list. Use the Add Symbol option, search for a stock, cryptocurrency, forex pair, index, or other asset, then select it to add it to your list. Repeat this process for all the assets you want to monitor. Next, organize your watch list by dragging symbols into the order you prefer. You can also remove symbols, rename your watch list, or create multiple watch lists for different markets or trading strategies. Finally, click on any symbol in your watch list to instantly load its chart and begin your analysis. Your watch lists will automatically sync with your Tradingview account, allowing you to access them from other devices after signing in. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a watch list in Tradingview. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.